this week. It's my birthday, so we have decided to do a bit of a trip over to Bali, Indonesia. So we're going to be staying at a little island called Nusa Penida, and there for a few days. So just going to have a look around, see what we can shoot whilst we're there, and I'll bring you along for the journey as well. So it's an interesting island. There's a lot of different things to see over there. So I've got a Google map covered in locations of places to go and things to shoot. So let's see what we can get when we're there. Sitting in the lounge right now, it's about 5 in the morning. You can probably see outside, it is pitch black outside. I've got a coffee, I've got breakfast already. I've done this in reverse this time. So anyway, we're gonna get on a plane, fly over there. Let's go. We're here. We finally made it to Bali. Now, it was about a 16-hour journey because we're staying on a little island of, it's called Nusa Penida, and it's off to the east of the sort of main Bali area. Gorgeous island. And it was right about now that my microphone decided not to work. So let me just explain to you what I was talking about here. In my haste to jump in the taxi and get across to the cliff top, I forgot to put my ball head on my tripod. It's still in the suitcase back at the hotel. So I've got my camera precariously balanced on a bare tripod, my favourite Explorer tripod, link in the description, and I'm feeling like a bit of an amateur, a bit embarrassed right now. Anyway, here we go. Okay, I'm going to take you for a little bit of a walk around here. So what they've done is they've set up these Instagram style frames for you to take a shot. Incredible place. This is literally set up on the edge of a cliff. Absolutely insanely beautiful. Sunrise is going to happen in about an hour, so we're going to actually head over to this cliff top over here. And see if we can get something from the top of it. You can actually walk down, there's a stairwell that you can walk down here, and you can actually go down the beach on the other side, but it may be closed today because we heard there was a couple of fatalities just recently down on the beach. I think some people got sucked out by one of the rips down there, which is a real tragedy. But so what we're going to do is try and set up just on the just about here on the cliff to try and sort of look down the cliff line. I understand there's a bit of an arc down there as well, so we'll try and get that as part of the shot as well. But what a place. Look at these cliffs, they are absolutely insane. Beautiful place. So okay, we're going to head round, park the car, have a walk down some steps, and then see if we can get a shot. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so we have arrived. We are now at Klick Cliff, and I thought the last one was high. This is insanely high. But there's the view I wanted to show you just quickly first, where we're standing. This is absolutely beautiful. They say it's supposed to resemble a bit of a dinosaur, which I don't see myself, but anyway, it's absolutely stunning. The beach is beautiful. You can see down here. This is straight down. And then it runs off down the cliffs there into the distance. So my aim tonight is to try and get a little bit of a sunset shot. I'm going to try and do this without a ball head on my tripod. It may end up being a handheld pano, but my aim is to try and, you can see the light is really nice on the point right now. It's looking sensational. Okay, here we go. Try and get a couple of shots, probably portrait and landscape here. Let's see what we can get. Here we go. morning. So the time right now is just after 6, and we've just driven for about an hour to get here. So we're on the very sort of southeastern tip of Nusa Penida Island, and this is an area called Thousand Island, and Diamond Beach is just over here on the left-hand side. Sunrise is going to happen about 6:20, so we're here just about perfect time. I don't have any filters with me for this trip, so normally I put a graduate filter on for the sky here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to bracket the whole scene so that we can make sure we capture all the darks and then all the lights in the scene as well. So incredible view here, just absolutely amazing. We just came down about 300 steps that were made for giants. Each step was like this size. It was crazy. In the dark to get down here. But wow, is it worth every step of the way? Amazing. So I'm going to take a couple of shots here. We'll get a couple of shots here, and then we'll head down the beach as well and see what we can find down the beach there as well. So first shot of the morning before sunrise. Here we go. Alright, so that was the first shot of the day. That was probably about half an hour before sunrise. And it's now 6:20, and the sun's about to pop over. Right in the distance there, you can see there's a volcano on the next island. So what we're going to try and do is get a bit of a sun flare over the top of the volcano just as the sun hits the edge of the volcano. We've got about 5 minutes to wait, so I'll get the shot. Here it comes. Thought I might just zoom in to show you the scale of this place as you look at these minuscule people making their way down the steps down to the beach from the cliffs here. Such an epic place, absolutely gorgeous. So that's going to wrap up episode 1 of our Bali trip. There might be 1 or 2 more come. We've got some nice shots to show you. Anyway, if you like the shots in the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, do all that stuff. I got 1 more to show you, which is coming right now, and then we'll see you in the next episode. Cheers.